Huawei is putting a lot of its X into the camera-shaped basket with the P20 Pro. The Leica partnership is continuing, so the setup here is built in collaboration with that company, and it's the first time we've seen 3 cameras on the rear of a phone. Why would you need 3 cameras, you may well ask? The thinking is similar to that behind the P10 and other phones before it, but now Huawei has added a telephoto lens as well. Huawei has built numerous cameras with both a color and black and white sensor working in tandem to get photos with improved depth and definition, and now the telephoto lens will also let you zoom with no loss of image quality. The RGB, that's color, lens is a whopping 40 MP this time around, and that works alongside a 20 MP monochrome sensor. For your normal, average automatic mode picture, it'll combine the images from the 2 lenses. Above the RGB lens, which sits in the middle of the array, you'll find an 8 MP telephoto sensor. This allows for up to 5x lossless zoom, and while we've seen similar lenses on previous handsets from different companies, in our limited testing the P20 Pro's take seemed impressive. We played around with the zoom feature, which is easy to access within the camera app, and we were unable to see a quality difference in zoomed shots compared to wide-angle ones on the phone screen. We'll dig into the other camera improvements during our full review, but if you want the top-end camera from Huawei, you'll have to opt for the P20 Pro rather than the P20. There's a huge 24 MP selfie shooter on the front of the phone, but we've not had much opportunity to play around with it yet to discover how it compares to other front-facing cameras.